Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of database management and product design. Hold on tight as we explore a crucial topic, adapting your database with schema modifications. Imagine adding new columns, optimizing for performance, and ensuring your data stays intact throughout these changes. Say you've got a table tracking login activity on a social media platform. Each entry is like a footprint in the digital sands, with a timestamp showing exactly when it happened. The initial schema is like a blueprint, telling you who did what, when. But wait, there's a twist. We're not just interested in individual footprints, we want the bigger picture. We're talking about summarizing those login events into a daily login activity report. But to get there, we need schema modifications. Here's our step-by-step guide. 1. Create a temporary table. We're taking those login events and summarizing them into a neat daily login summary. It's like making sense of a whirlwind of data. 2. Clear the path. We're making space by clearing out the original table. Don't worry, your data's safe and sound. We're just getting ready for the new and improved version. 3. Insert the good stuff. Now the magic happens. We're taking the aggregated values and putting them back into the original table. It's like giving your data a makeover, and it's looking better than ever. 4. Cleanup. Once we're done, it's time to tidy up. We're dropping the temporary table, leaving behind a sleek, efficient, and oh-so-smart database schema. And just like that, we've transformed our database into a lean, mean, data-crunching machine. Whether you're an analytics enthusiast, a reporting guru, or simply someone who loves efficient data management, yes, that's a thing. This is knowledge you can't afford to miss.